Did you know that over 90% of Toyota Land Cruisers sold in the last 25 years are still on the road today? Or that Honda's first car wasn't even sold in Japan because they thought it wouldn't be good enough? Today, we're settling the debate that's divided families, ended friendships, and caused countless arguments in auto shops across America. Toyota versus Honda. Which brand truly lasts longer? Everyone has an opinion on this. Your uncle swears by his 300,000-mile Camry that just needs oil changes, while your neighbor shows off his 20-year-old Civic that still runs like new. Both Toyota and Honda have legendary reputations for reliability, but which deserves your hard-earned money if you want a car that will outlast your mortgage? With the average American now keeping their car for 8.4 years, up nearly 25% from a decade ago, and new cars costing more than ever, choosing a brand that won't leave you stranded or broke from repair bills has never been more important. And a massive study by IC Cars revealed that Toyota dominates the list of cars most likely to reach 200,000 miles, with 6 out of the top 10 spots. The Toyota Land Cruiser, Sequoia, and 4Runner took the top 3 positions, with nearly 20% exceeding that impressive milestone. Honda managed just 2 entries with the Ridgeline and Odyssey. When looking at vehicles reaching 300,000 miles, Toyota's advantage became even more pronounced. According to iCars.com's 2024 study, Toyota takes 7 of the top 10 slots for vehicles reaching 250,000 miles. In total, Toyota and Lexus account for 30% of the top 30 longevity list, with Honda and Acura following in second place with 7 models. According to Consumer Reports' 2025 data, Subaru has claimed the top spot for reliability, with Lexus and Toyota taking second and third place respectively, while Honda and Acura follow in 4th and 5th positions. US News recently named Honda as the 2025 best vehicle brand over Toyota, noting that Honda offers the best combination of reliability, interior quality, safety, and performance. This suggests that while Toyota may lead in extreme longevity, Honda delivers competitive reliability alongside other desirable attributes. Both manufacturers have experienced challenges in 2024, with each company facing major recalls. Toyota's Tundra recall related to engine issues from its new twin-turbo V6, while Honda has encountered its own quality concerns. According to data from RepairPal and Consumer Reports, Toyota vehicles cost about $6,000 to maintain over a 10-year period, while Honda comes in slightly higher at around $7,500. That's a $1,500 difference, enough to pay for a decent vacation. However, this gap has been narrowing. Honda's older models were actually cheaper to maintain than Toyota's, but Toyota has been winning the cost battle since 2015. On an annual basis, Honda's maintenance costs average $428 compared to Toyota's $441, giving Honda a slight edge in year-to-year expenses. The industry average is considerably higher at $652, demonstrating that both Japanese brands offer significant savings over many competitors. When considering resale value, Toyotas retain about 52% of their value after 5 years, compared to Honda's 47%. That 5% difference on a $30,000 vehicle is $1,500 more in your pocket when you sell or trade it in. The gap widens even further for models older than 10 years. A 15-year-old Toyota with 200,000 miles will typically sell for 15 to 20% more than a comparable Honda. Toyota's reputation for reliability is built on their Kaizen philosophy, making small, continuous improvements rather than radical changes. This is why you'll find engines like their 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that hasn't fundamentally changed in nearly a decade. My mechanic friend calls it boring engineering, but boring is exactly what you want when you're stranded on a desert highway. Honda takes a completely different approach. As a company that started building motorcycles and racing engines, Honda has always prioritized performance alongside reliability. Their engines typically produce more power from smaller displacements, run at higher RPMs, and deliver more engaging driving experiences. These philosophical differences extend to specific components. Toyota has generally played it safe with traditional 6 to 8-speed automatic transmissions, while Honda was an early adopter of continuously variable transmissions, CVTs. Early Honda CVTs from 2013 to 2016 had numerous reported issues, but since 2018, Honda's CVTs have become some of the most reliable in the industry. The Toyota Corolla consistently outlasts the Honda Civic in long-term durability tests, but the Honda Accord slightly edges out the Toyota Camry for mid-size reliability. In the SUV category, Toyota RAV4s from 2013 to 2018 have fewer reported issues than comparable CR-Vs, but Honda turned the tables with their redesigned 2019 Plus CR-V. Engine choice sometimes matters more than brand. Toyota's 2.5-liter engines found in the Camry and RAV4 are so reliable that mechanics joke they're bulletproof. Meanwhile, Honda's newer 1.5-liter turbocharged engines have experienced oil dilution issues, particularly in colder climates. However, Honda's naturally aspirated 2.0-liter engines have reliability records that rival anything Toyota makes. Toyota pioneered mass-market hybrids with the Prius in 1997 and has sold over 15 million hybrid vehicles worldwide. Their hybrid system is famously durable. There are documented cases of Prius taxes exceeding 600,000 miles on original batteries. Honda's two-motor hybrid system found in the Accord and CR-V hybrids is newer, but has proven extremely reliable while offering better driving dynamics. The real difference? Toyota's hybrid system prioritizes fuel efficiency above all, while Honda's strikes a better balance between efficiency and performance. After decades of avoiding turbochargers, Toyota has introduced turbocharged engines in several models. Early reports show some wastegate and bearing issues. This represents a major departure from Toyota's traditionally conservative approach, and the reliability jury is still out. According to J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study, Toyota vehicles consistently experience fewer electronic and infotainment issues than Honda models. One dealership service manager confessed, "We see way more Hondas coming back for software updates and electronic glitches than Toyotas." In a survey of 500 Toyota and Honda owners who've had their vehicles for over 5 years, Toyota owners reported fewer serious problems but were more likely to experience minor irritations. Honda owners reported slightly more major repairs but were significantly more satisfied with their driving experience. Tellingly, 78% of Toyota owners plan to buy another Toyota, while only 67% of Honda owners plan to stick with the brand. If you trade in vehicles every 5 to 6 years, Honda's slightly lower initial cost and comparable medium-term reliability make it a smarter choice. But if you're planning to drive your car until the wheels fall off, potentially 15 plus years, Toyota's edge and ultra long-term durability makes more sense. The sweet spot for buying used? Data shows that 3-year-old Hondas typically offer the best value, as they've already taken their steepest depreciation hit, but still have 85% plus of their reliable life ahead. For Toyotas, the sweet spot is slightly older at 4 to 5 years. Based on comprehensive analysis of the latest data through early 2025, Toyota maintains a clear advantage in extreme longevity, with more vehicles reaching high mileage benchmarks and superior long-term value retention. However, Honda offers competitive reliability with slightly lower annual maintenance costs and generally more engaging driving experiences. The choice ultimately depends on your priorities and ownership timeline. If you plan to keep your vehicle for 15 plus years and value bulletproof reliability above all else, Toyota's edge and ultra long-term durability makes it the superior choice. However, if you prioritize driving dynamics alongside solid reliability and plan to trade in after 5 to 6 years, Honda offers an excellent balance of enjoyment and dependability. The best advice: buy the Toyota or Honda model that speaks to you. Maintain it religiously according to the schedule in your owner's manual, and either one will serve you faithfully for many years. Your driving habits and maintenance discipline will impact longevity far more than the logo on your hood.